ending sounds: played, cleaned, snowed, closed, filled, stayed, brushed, laughed, pushed, washed, danced, walked, waited, painted, shouted, wanted, landed, debated. Cats, snakes, sports, stamps, dogs, bees, animals, things, horses, dishes, surprises, boxes. Linking sounds: English, speak it, write it, read it, you know, you really, need it, don't forget. First you close it, then you lock it, and put the key back in your pocket. Busy, work all day, run away, boss send me, can't agree, fill cup, ring it up, wait while, walk mile, meet the date, don't be late.